Hey my people, welcome back to Music and Country Life. Now today I'll be showing you how to use your avocado seeds. Now you won't throw your avocado seeds away anymore. If you've not yet subscribed, you gotta click the subscription button below. Yes, remember to leave me a thumbs up my people. Yes, leave your comments below and let me know if you have ever taken your avocado seeds. Now, the top benefits of using your avocado seeds. It promotes healthy heart, it promotes healthy digestion, yes, it promotes healthy sugar levels and healthy blood pressure levels, and it naturally carries cancer fighting properties. So you don't want to throw your avocado seeds away. So let me show you how to use it today. So here I have my avocado seeds, yes, and I have been, putting them in the sun to dry for a while now, yes, and I will now look for one that is well dry, and this one, is looking nicely, very good. As you can see, it's popping off easily, and as you can see, this one is dried. So when they are drying, they will open easily, and as you can see, yes, it just pulls apart easily. All right, and then we will then grate the seed. You can grate it with the outer part, or you can remove it. Yes. And here I have one grated nicely, yes, and this is what it looks like, when it's grated. And here we have the Armenia barrel, which we call the stinking toe in Jamaica. Here I have gotten the stinking toes open up, and this shell is very hard, so you'd have to take something hard to get it open. All right, so you will have to remove the seeds from the stinking toe, right? This carries small seeds, and you'll have to remove the food from the seed. This carries also a very high scent. Many may not like it, but this is a very nutritious fruit. So here we have it, nicely cleaned. Yes, this is what the stinking toe will be looking like. So we use 2 medium stinking toe fruits, and as I said, I will be making 1 serving. All right, so you only need just 2 small ones, yes, and I will add it. Then I will add 1 banana, yes, you can see right here, medium banana, nice. Then I will add my ginger, yes, you want to cut your ginger in small pieces. All right, I know that ginger is very excellent, very good for your circulation, I would want to have my ginger very strong in this mixture. All right, so I added about 2.5 inches of ginger, and then we will add our grated avocado. All right, so we're gonna add, as you can see right here, 1 tablespoon. All right, and that should be enough for 1 serving. All right, yes. Then we will go ahead and add our coconut milk. Now the coconut milk is what you will use as the liquid base for this mixture. All right, and remember, for the coconut milk you will add just 1 cup. So there you have it. And then you will blend very smoothly. So here we have our avocado seed punch. Yes, well blended. All right, and this is what the finished product will be looking like. All right, yes. So here we have it, our finished product. And you would want to try this. This is a booster for whenever, if it's early morning, midday, or a quick run in the evening. So there you have it, the avocado seed punch. Yes, so until next time, stay connected for another Country Life video.